How to find a Gmail account by phone number. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply tap on the Google Chrome web browser. So here let me tap on one. And once you tap on it, all you have to do is tap on the search address bar and search for the Gmail and simply hit enter. Once you do so, you will get to see the list of Gmail option available. Simply scroll down and look for the sign in option available there and tap on it. Now all you have to do is tap on the forgot email option available right below the box where you enter your email or phone number. Now once you tap on the forgot email, here all you have to do is enter the phone number which is associated with your Gmail account and tap on the next option available there. Then what happens? All you have to do is enter the first name and the last name of your Gmail you are looking for and tap on the next option available there. Then you will get to see the accounts available on your screen. Now you will get to see the accounts of yours with that phone number. All you have to do is tap on it to log in. And that is, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.